Before the video starts, make sure you guys are using code YOSWAY in the Fortnite shop before purchasing any cosmetic items. It's just YOSWAY. And by the way, the item shop code resets every single 2 weeks, so if you guys do want to support me, you guys probably don't even have my code in because the item shop code resets every 2 weeks, so just make sure you put it back in. I love y'all. Enjoy the video. Peace.
Got two 200s.
If I go and duck up, hope you know ain't no love lost. Might get low if I don't take that risk. I ain't no boss. I've been away for some time, but I know it's still all mine. Girl, I still ain't touched my prime. Can't just sit back and recline. All that time spent alone, all the time spent alone. I know you missed the vibe we was on. Can't deny it, so don't. Yeah. So I'm on 10, 248, know that bag on the way. Look, I know the streets ain't safe, I stay dangerous either way. I've been through hell, wish me well, I know you won't kiss and tell. I'm not cool with taking L's, do my dirt all by myself. Fell out with friends, I'm like, oh well, if you my dog, we beef, oh well. I try to reach out, I can't tell that pride to keep you in your shell. I understand, we fall and fail, get that bag and leave that trail. They can't feel the pain I feel, I just owe shit to myself. So if I go and duck up, hope you know ain't no love lost. Might get low if I don't take that risk. I ain't no boss. I've been away for some time, but you know you still my slime. Memories we can't rewind. Can't just sit back and recline. All that time spent alone,